One thing apple ago talk out her mouth.
Man, Jody, a friend, family, or relative, any blood clotting you want to call it, companion or whatever, I don't want a friend from you know. Because I don't like Jody, I hate Jody like poison. I hate Jody 10 blood clot, million, trillion, zillions. I hate her. Any girl, do my pick them things in her life, I carry them in my blood clot heart and in my body wall. Because them and the shit down that blood clot fight. I don't like her. I hate her for what she do in her life. I will never forgive if God ever look upon me one day when me judgment day and say, Apple, it's one fault for you to reach to heaven. It's for you to get forgive Jody. Me I tell him say kill me right now with a left hand. Me not bother want go. Me not going. Me don't like you. Evil as a serpent. Don't call me a lady. Lady, I went up on police chair and police up and shut up for thief. Don't call me a lady. Me a blood clot thief. Go call who you know a thief out in your house. No.